What is up, you guys? It's your girl REB, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, y'all, we're gonna be doing a braid out. Y'all, I've been wearing my hair in a ponytail. My curls just got out of hand. I don't have no videos of it, but the curls was just after day like 2. I want to say like day 2, day 3. My hair gets real big, so I just been wearing it in a low bun. But I literally just got done filming the video, so this is why it looked like this. But like I said, we're gonna be attempting to do a braid out today. I also went ahead and I got me some perm rods. Because I learned my lesson from before. So I'm going to put these on the ends. Maybe I should have got a bigger size, but I don't know. But if anything, this is going to work. Like, this is going to work. So I came prepared for this video, y'all. Also, I got me a new addition to the family, which is the Aunt Jackie's curl. What? Oh, sorry. This is Aunt Jackie's Curl Maintenance Anti-Proof Defining Curl Whip. I've never used a curl whip on my hair before, so yeah, I don't know what I'm doing with this braid out. So with the braid out, I'm going to be adding this. Can I add this with the gel? Or should I just add this? You know what? I'm going to just add this because it says it defines dry, frizzy hair, so hopefully, I'm just going to use this product and hopefully it turns out good. You guys know down below, just help me out and let me know what I can add along with this curl whip. Because like I said, I'm on a new journey of learning how to work with my natural hair. Also, I need to thicken this hair back up. Because I believe my hair got thin. My hair got, not thin, but it has really got thin a little bit. But it's still, yeah, my hair was OD thick, so it don't look like nothing. But I can just tell. I'm mad I did my hair today and not yesterday because tomorrow I have church, which means I have to either take the braids out early or just go to church like that. I might just throw a wig over that and call it a day. Because, yeah, I want my curls to really come out looking, well, my braid out to come out looking good. So, okay. I'm going to go ahead and finish sectioning my hair off. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to split this in half. Just like so. Kind of on like a curve. Is that a curve? Did I do a curve? If not, oh well, whatever. Let's split this. This piece not too big, right, y'all? It shouldn't be. Is it too big? Hold on. I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing with one braid, and then I'm gonna speed up this video. I'm gonna go ahead and comb this, brush this out. Wet this up. Now, after I wet that up, I'm gonna go in with the curling whip. I don't know how much of this to use, so I don't know yet. It's my first time really using this product. Put it on my hair like that. It definitely, oh my god, it curls up my hair so good. Okay, I feel like Aunt Jackie's is the best for me right now. Because, yeah, okay, oh yeah. Okay, I feel like it was the products I was using the first time I did my wash and go because my curls wasn't looking like that. So I'm just going to braid that up. I feel like I could have did this braid a little bigger. The braids in the back is not going to be as small because I don't really want the braids to be small, then I have trouble taking it out. Well, I heard a lot of natural girls say not to braid it all the way to the ends. So I'm not going to go all the way to the end, but I'm going to go to the end far enough. I feel like I don't have to go to the end with this one because this is... Yeah, I don't really have to go all the way to the ends because who's taking out that skinny braid at the end? So I'm just going to twirl that up. And that's like that for the first braid. Okay, so that's the first braid. That's how it's looking. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my braids and speed up this part. Okay, I'm gonna talk really quick because my camera is dying. I don't know why my camera is always dying, but the braid out is done. This is how it looks This is how I look in the back. If it's not straight, y'all, the braids are not neat. Don't watch that. This is just going to be a quick braid out. Now, I'm not sure if I want to add my perm rods because the ends are really like curled up, but I might just add them just so it can stay that way. But yeah, other than that, y'all, I'll be back in, I guess, 2 to 3 days to take these out, and hopefully they look good. Other than that, y'all, let me know. Also, let me know what can I put in my hair that's really hydrating, because I really have, I don't know, like my hair tends to get really dry, and then sometimes it can get really oily. But yeah, in this case I feel like it's getting dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some RECE Remedies oil along my scalp just to give it some type of moisture. But that's it for this video, y'all. Not this video, for this time right now. I'll be back in like 2 days to take these braids out. So yes, let me know down below what can I put on my hair that's really hydrating. And yeah, I'll see you guys in 2 days. Y'all, it is now 4 days later. It is Wednesday, and I am now taking out these braids. Hopefully these braids look good. I'm really nervous. I didn't have to put any perm rods on my ends. They were good. Maybe I should have. I don't know, but they were good for the most part. Now to take these, I always see people put oil on their hands, so I'm gonna put some of my RECE Remedies oil on my fingertips. And yeah, clearly I love this oil because this is all I have left. So put a little bit. I hope this is enough. I don't really know how much to put. Like, how much should I really put? But alright, so that's on the tips of my fingers. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take these braids out. Okay, so y'all, so far so good. Like, I'm loving this look. I'm really, really loving it. I'm about to go do my baby hairs off camera and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. It's just done and I freaking love it, y'all. I love it. This side's a little frizzy. But honestly, I love it. You guys know I'm real funny when it comes to my hair. Like, some styles I just don't like. But this right here, I'm jacking it, y'all. I really, 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 really love my hair. I just wish the ends would have came out a little better. I guess I braided it too far down. I don't know. Or maybe I just need to do bigger braids. In a lot of videos, I've seen girls do big braids. So maybe next time I'm going to do big braids. But next time, I'm also going to do a twist out. That's going to be the next natural style I try. If you guys have any other styles for me to try my natural hair, let me know. And I'm willing to try it. Because, girl, I'm doing all natural hair videos. Like, I don't know. Like, I feel like I need to learn my natural hair more. And the only way I can do that is by doing my hair way more often. I'm also going to be doing wig videos, but a lot of more natural hair videos, y'all. I love, love, love this look. Yeah, it's giving. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the products I use are going to be linked down below in my Amazon storefront, y'all. I love, love, love. Ooh, okay. If you guys have any tips for me, let me know down below. Other than that, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.
You can do better.